While we're waiting for our potatoes to boil, we're going to go and remove our bacon. We're going to keep this pan out because we're actually going to be cooking our potatoes in here with this grease. So we'll bring our bacon slices over. I'm going to want to chop them into small bits. Alright, now we'll come back to our potatoes and we'll drain them. Again, they don't have to be cooked all the way through. And we're going to put them on our pan, making sure that we get them all here in grease. And then we'll take our bacon and we'll crumble that over the top.